Okay, I had a student ask about how to handle the preferred stock, particularly the homework question. So I thought I'd go over the example in the optional practice problems. So if you look in Canvas under the modules for this week, you'll see I've got some optional practice problems. So I'm going to go over this one for the preferred stock dividend. So with stock, you have preferred stock and common stock. One of the preferences with preferred stock is that they get paid first when any dividends are declared. So that's one of their preferences is they get paid first before common stockholders get anything. So the first thing we have to do with preferred stock is to first calculate the annual dividend amount. And you'll see here I've got the formula here for you. It's number of shares outstanding for the preferred stock times the par value for the preferred stock times the dividend rate. And you'll see in this example it's 2,000 shares times 6% times $200 per share, and that's what gives us the $24,000. So that's the amount that we'll owe the preferred stockholders every year if the board of directors declares dividends for the year. And so you'll see in this particular example, the corporation declared dividends in 2015 of 19.5, 2016 they declared 32,000, and 2017 they declared 30,000. And that's legally the amount that we are allowed to pay. The board of directors declares and approves, and that's the only amount we're allowed to pay, even though we calculated that the preferred shareholders will get 24,000. You'll notice in 2015 there's not enough money to pay them. And so with that, we can take preferred stock to the next level. There's two different types of preferred stock. The first one is cumulative preferred stock, and the second one is non-cumulative. We're going to cover the cumulative one first. Cumulative simply means that in years where the board of directors does not declare enough dividend to cover the annual amount that we're supposed to pay them, then we're going to have to keep track of the amount we did not pay them and pay them in future years. So, for example, this particular example, we owe them $24,000, and again, the board of directors only declared 19.5. So there's going to be $4,500 they're missing, right? 24,000 we owe them minus the 19.5 that was declared. There's going to be $4,500 that we still owe them. So in 2015, the preferred stockholders would get the whole 19.5 because remember, they get preference. They get everything before the common stockholders get anything. And the common stockholders will get zero. But notice over here I have a little calculation that says we still owe them $4,500. We need to keep track of that because, again, this is cumulative preferred stock, so we still owe them that $4,500. We just can't pay it to them this year. So then notice in 2016, they declared $32,000. So again, the preferred stockholders will get paid first. They'll get the whole $24,000 for 2016, plus the $4,500 that we owed them for 2015. So that's where this 28.5 is coming from. It's the 24,000 for 2016, plus the 4,500 we owed them still from 2015. And then the common shareholders will get everything that's left. So 28.5 minus the 32 that was declared gives the common stockholders 3,500. Now, as of the end of 2016, we are completely paid up with the preferred stockholders, and the only thing we'll owe them in 2017 will be $24,000. And so again, the board of directors declared $30,000. The preferred stockholders will get 24 of that, and the common stockholders get what's left, which is 6,000. So how does that change when it's non-cumulative preferred stock? So for 2015, there's really no change because the board of directors only declared 19.5. We don't even have enough to pay the preferred stockholders their whole 24,000. So again, the preferred stockholders get the whole 19.5. The common stockholders get nothing. In 2016, however, since this is non-cumulative preferred stock, we don't owe the preferred stockholders for anything we didn't pay them in prior years. So for 2016, even though the board of directors declared 32,000, the preferred stockholders still only get 24,000, only the amount we owe them for this year, not any amounts that were due from prior years. And then the common shareholders would get everything else. So 32,000 declared minus the 24,000 we paid to preferred stockholders means the common stockholders get 8,000. And then in 2017, they declared $30,000. And again, we only owe the preferred stockholders $24,000, nothing in arrears for non-cumulative. and then the common stockholders will get the remaining 6,000. So that's how you calculate how much the preferred stockholders get versus the common stockholders, and whether it's cumulative or non-cumulative. I hope this helps answer any questions.